Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of December, 2024, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.65. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who acted on our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 17.34% since we initially categorized Google as a buy candidate 42 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 0.41% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a continued rise within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 18.12% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 10.83% and 20.06%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 24.39% over the next year, with potential returns between 1.74% and 26.22%. This implies a price range between $204.73 and $253.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock downgraded to buy candidate. The Google stock price experienced a decline of 1.37% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025. The price dropped from $204.02 to $201.23. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.82%, reaching a low of $200.11 and a high of $203.75. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.67% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign because volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 4 million shares, resulting in a total of 26 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $5.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $205.48, while the lowest price was $130.67. Currently, the price sits 2.7% or $4.25 below the 52-week high and 91.78% or $2,247.69 below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, is facing scrutiny as it approaches its earnings report set for Tuesday. Analysts predict that growth in its cloud segment could positively impact fourth-quarter earnings, even as the company grapples with challenges in its advertising revenue due to recent foreign exchange headwinds and tougher comparisons. This mixed picture underscores the volatility in Alphabet's revenue streams, which could play a significant role in shaping investor sentiment leading into the earnings announcement. On another front, Alphabet seeks to appeal a court ruling that deemed its App Store a monopoly, reflecting ongoing regulatory pressures that could potentially affect its business operations and market positioning. This legal battle adds another layer of uncertainty for investors, as the outcome could significantly influence both short-term stock price movements and long-term strategic planning. Additionally, some investment analysts suggest that Alphabet is undervalued alongside major tech players like Apple and Meta. If broader market sentiment shifts positively, this could bolster demand for Google shares in the short term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have issued a general buy rating for Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts assign a strong buy rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Google. The Google stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is likely to be found at $198.41 and $194.43. Should the price drop below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, January 31, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.37%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal from 39 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal from 57 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $195.40. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.64, which is 1.82% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.12. It's essential to watch these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $204.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $195.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Shriram Kavatarkram executed an insider sell of 14,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted another insider sell of 12,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of January, 2025, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sell of 100 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of January, 2025, O'Toole Ami Thuiner executed an insider buy of 1,340 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, O'Toole Ami Thuiner also conducted an insider sell of 1,340 shares of Class C Google stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 22.671. In total, insiders purchased 1,754,839 shares and sold 1,108,900 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $192.62, which is a decrease of 4.28%. This stock exhibits low daily price movements, indicating a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top detected 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Google stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have revised our analysis from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of February, we anticipate Google to open at approximately 467 cents higher, starting at $201.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.